Wouldn't it be nice to ride a bike through the city without the potential risks of accidents with vehicles on the road or pedestrians along the same footpaths? The Yarra City Council thought this would be a great idea and developed a cycling strategy to increase safety for our bike riders. However, the council have yet to implement this strategy and have also been met with protests from local business owners that the strategy would remove curbside parking in place of dedicated bike lanes. Our proposed design site is Johnston Street in Abbotsford of the Yarra City Council. This street offers a suitable site for our design to sit as the aspects identified in our urban issue can all be addressed here. In the past 3 years, the cyclists in the city of Yarra have been subject to accidents often resulting in serious injury. The main types of accidents within our focus site were manoeuvring, opposing direction, and pedestrian collision. The main cause of these accidents is a lack of infrastructure to keep the cyclist safe. In Melbourne overall, 0.7% of people cycle to work, while in our subject site of Abbotsford, 4% choose to cycle to work. This map shows the current principal bike network around Melbourne, highlighting the routes cyclists could take first set out in 1991. Here, the pink and blue lines represent the primary and secondary priority routes the network is looking at developing as part of the cycling strategy, then narrowing it down to the city of Yarra to visualise which of these routes have actually been built. Further research and mapping shows the low to high risk areas of cycling accidents in Melbourne. Through this research and mapping data, our group proposes an elevated cycling network above the city of Yarra and future potential to expand the elevated network across the city of Melbourne. Proposed by Norman Foster, Sky Cycle focuses on an elevated cycling network above London's railway lines, featuring lightweight greenery lane lines with over 200 access points, enabling up to 12,000 cyclists per hour, promoting cycling as a primary mode of transport. Elevating this new network minimizes vehicle collisions, promoting connectivity of the pathways with safe entry and exit points, and significantly enhancing cyclist safety. Originally designed by James Corner Field Operations alongside architect Dilla Scofidio, the New York High Line proposes an elevated linear park by repurposing a historic freight railway line into a communal green space into the city of New York. Proposal emphasizes pedestrian mobility and has indirectly influenced the cycling in the city. The design of cycling and pedestrian connections across the city of Barcelona is able to have repercussions beyond its scope and of structuring the metropolitan territory since this new green infrastructure allows the pedestrian and cycling connections between the cities. Pavements designed with acid finished concrete with aggregate seen by pedestrians and floated finished concrete for cyclists and garden beds. Design Iteration 1 simply elevates the new bike path above the existing roadways, accompanied by natural shading enhancing the urban greenery and softening the landscape impact of this new infrastructure. Design Iteration 2 proposes a central branch elevating new bicycle pathways. The structure uses transparent solar paneling as partial sheltering for the pathways, which can in turn aid in powering the lighting for roads below. The central line of this pathway will contain voids to aid in rainwater drainage. Design Iteration 3 begins with a spiral ramp from the ground up to the elevated paths, introducing communal pockets of park benches stemming from various parts along the elevated path, providing pedestrians with various pathways while also creating a safer cyclist route. Introducing our exciting new concept, an elevated bike path that soars above busy roads. Designed for safety, this innovative route keeps bikers protected from traffic while offering a fun, easy way to get around the city. The elevated pathway features convenient exit ramps similar to a car freeway, making it simple to access different parts of the city. Along the way, there are rest stops for breaks, hydration, and quick bike maintenance, turning every ride into a relaxing and enjoyable experience. This project promotes health, encourages more people to choose cycling, and helps reduce emissions from the cars below. It's more than just transportation, it's a vibrant, eco friendly adventure that makes biking safer, more fun, and accessible for everyone. Get ready to elevate your ride and enjoy a new level of urban mobility.